name is I am from Surat, Gujarat, and I am at the training center city at Mud of training center quality. When I am doing what we did the first simulation parts, and then after we do the real robot part, and the experience is very good, and I learned something new about the product.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Vaibhav Bhatt. I am currently a GET in LNT and I am currently training at CTE Mud. Today I got to experience and do programming on the cobot. I got hands-on experience and I was very privileged to have that experience. We got to program and we did an entire stack piling of various elements, bricks and all the longer elements, and I'm really grateful for that opportunity.
Today I got some experience in the cobot and which helped me in the LNT. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Prathamesh. I'm working as a GET at the L&T Heavy Engineering IC. Today we had a hands-on session on the applications of cobot in industrial automation. We used the UR3 cobot configuration. It has its controller, an arm, and a T pendant. Using that T pendant, we programmed the robot for different operations such as pick and place, stacking of objects, and sketching. It was a very good and hands-on session. It was very informative.
I am Harshat C. Chala. I am from Bharuch, Gujarat, and I have been selected as a GET in the L&T. And this is the 18th day of our training in the CTA Mud campus. And today our topic was on the industrial application of cobot. And this is the first time in my life that I am very wonderful. I am very grateful to got this opportunity to see cobot. And we did the simulation on the laptops and the computers, and then later on we got the opportunity for hands-on experience on the actual cobot. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Dhruv Desai and I'm from L&T. We are currently training at the Mud campus, and today we got a hands-on experience on the cobot. So we performed a simulation on the software VMware, and then we performed a hands-on on the cobot where we made a pick-and-place automation device.
Hello, my name is Yashraj Singh and currently I am training at CTA Mud, which is a L&T facility. So today we have a hands-on session on industrial cobot, which is a kind of a very advanced cobot. So through which we have performed many operations and got to learn a lot about today's session. So.
Good evening, my name is Bhaskar Goel and I have been recruited as a GET in L&T. I am currently at Training Center Mud. Today I have got the opportunity to learn about cobot, did the simulations and had hands-on training sessions on the cobot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajendra Prasad. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I selected as a PGT in L&T in Heavy Engineering IC. Today hands-on experience on cobot. This is hands-on experience first time I saw, and I learning of simulation. Thank you.
My name is Dhruv Heda and I've completed my engineering from EIT, and currently I'm training with L&T as a GET. I just completed a course in cobot, and here we have made a two-piece tower, a game called as Jenga, and it has been a fun experience and got to learn a lot.
This is Manas Dubey. I am recruited as a GET in L&T. I am today at CTE in Mud. Today I get a hands-on session on industrial cobot. Today I learned the simulation of cobot. It's a very nice experience to me to learn about the cobot. Thank you.
Prince Kisharani. I am selected as GET in LRC and Tuku, and we are undergoing training at CTE Mud campus. Today we got opportunity to learn about this cobot. It has a lot of industrial application and it is easy to use, easy to learn, easy to program. And we got a chance to learn about this. We had the real experience. Thank you.
So my name is Mandeep Prajapati and currently I am training at Mud campus. So today we had hands-on experience on cobot robotics, and actually I am from mechatronics department, but I never had been in this hands-on practice. Today I had this. The overall experience is good and I liked it.
My name is Om Chawda. Recently, before a few weeks, I got selected in L&T, and for now we are training at the Mud Island, in the headquarters of the training center in L&T. Today we had a hands-on experience on the cobot, which is a very automatic robot which does various type of expressions and work.